Here's the cell for gasoline cars. It's running right now. It's making lots of hydrogen. You can use an V8 engine, V10, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, depends how much amperage you want on the machine. There's a fan cooling off, a circuit breaker right here, the solenoid, down the bottom is a water pump, and here's the coupler, the filter. Here's the tank, and all the special hoses. It's not gonna leak. The cell is 4 millimeter cell, 6 plates total, and then it's running. I'm gonna check the amperage. It's running about 18, 19 amps. Depends on how much sodium hydroxide you put it on. I put like 50 grams of, and you can drive a car, 6-cylinder car. You can put in a 6-cylinder car with this amount of amperage will increase your miles really good, minimum 20%. And then here's the hydrogen. You can explode. And it's hydrogen solution element. Thank you for watching.